Mga Kapuso Stars, sparkle artist o lain-laing mga personalidad, mirampa atol sa GMA Gala. Ang report ni Mark Abella.
Glitz, glam, and style. The stars definitely aligned at the GMA Gala 2024. Stand out sa red carpet ang Sparkle and Kapuso Stars in their black, white, and sparkling fits. Lagip na mga anchors o reporters sa GMA Integrated News. Present sa gala ang GMA Network executives nga sila GMA President and CEO Gilberto R. Duavit Jr., Executive Committee Chairman Joel G. Jimenez, Chief Financial Officer Felipe S. Yalong, ug GMA Network Senior Vice President Atty. Annette Gozon Valdez. Gawas sa pagsaulog sa ika-74th anniversary sa GMA Network, giisip usab kini nga usa ka Thanksgiving party sa mga nadawat nga grasya sa network.
People ask us, what is the secret behind the longevity and success of GMA? The answer is right here in this ballroom. You are the reason for our success. Our journey was made possible only because we stand in the shoulders of the brightest stars. Exceptional creatives, excellent professionals, valued partners, and our beloved viewers.
Sila Kylie Padilla ug David Licauco ang best dressed stars of the night. Young stars of the night sila Sofia Pablo ug Allen Ansay. Ang Korean opa Kim Jisoo ang giilang nga Red Carpet Scene Stealer Award. Present usab ang It's Showtime host kag gipanguluhan ni Vice Ganda.
Ang sarap ng feeling na everyone is here. So I think ito yung bonding or lahat tayo magkakasama, not just GMA but all of our partners.
On its third year, beneficiary gihapon sa GMA Gala ang GMA Kapuso Foundation. Gi-turn over ang donation aron makatabang sa mga estudyante ug magtutudlo tibok nasod. Gidawat kini ni GMA Kapuso Foundation Executive Vice President and COO Ricky Escudero Katibog. Kauban si Clans Gabutin, Mark Abella. Balitang Bisdak.